Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we've got something special for all you MacBook users out there, the Mancro Laptop Backpack. Trust me when I say this is the best MacBook backpack you can get your hands on. Now, let's dive right into why the Mancro Laptop Backpack stands out from the crowd. First off, the size and storage space.
This backpack is designed to perfectly fit your 15.6-inch laptop or a 15-inch MacBook.
It's roomy enough to carry your essentials, from chargers and binders to books and even clothes. Plus, there are pockets inside to keep your wallet and phone organized.
But what sets this backpack apart is the USB port design. It comes with a built-in USB charger outside and a charging cable inside, allowing you to connect your power bank and charge your devices on the go.
Perfect for those who are always on the move. Now, let's talk about safety.
This backpack features an anti-theft lock, so you never have to worry about someone swiping your laptop or valuable items. The durable metal zippers ensure secure usage day in and day out.
Comfort is essential, especially if you're carrying your MacBook around.
The Mancro Laptop Backpack is made from durable nylon fabric and boasts two S-curve padded shoulder straps, providing excellent back support. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it perfect for work, travel, or school.
Speaking of travel, the size of this backpack is just right for tossing it under your seat during flights. It's not just a business laptop backpack. It's versatile and suitable for both men and women. And hey, it makes for a fantastic gift too. Before we wrap up, a quick note on compatibility.
This product is designed for use in the US, so if you're planning to use it internationally, don't forget to check for the right adapter or converter.
So,
there you have it, folks. The Mancro Laptop Backpack, the best MacBook backpack you can find.
It's the perfect blend of style, functionality, and security. If you're looking for a backpack that ticks all the boxes, look no further.
Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more amazing product reviews, and check out the link in the description to get your hands on this fantastic backpack.
Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Happy backpacking!